Hello traders and VPS users. In this video, we'll learn how to access your VPS directly through the noVNC console from the SocialVPS.net client area. Let's get started. The first step is to log in to your client area account. You can log in using your email and password or by using a Google account that has been registered. After successfully logging in, go to the Services menu, then select the VPS you want to access. Scroll to the bottom of the page until you find the Actions section. There, click on the noVNC console option. Wait a moment for a new screen to appear for the noVNC console. Here, you can press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete directly from the interface. Next, enter your VPS password and you'll be instantly logged into the VPS main view. If it looks like this, it means that you have successfully accessed the VPS using the noVNC console from the SocialVPS client area. Easy, right? Good luck. If this video was helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends or other traders community. See you in the next tutorial.